So today you'll learn what a foundation crew typically does on day one, go about our work day. Typically on day one on projects, I show up to the job site and I'll go ahead and knock on the homeowner's door. I'll introduce myself and my crew to him, let him know that we're going to be the crew that's going to be here from start to finish on his job site. And then I let him know about the mobilization payment that needs to be collected, and he or she usually knows about that because our office notifies them through email a week or two prior to us showing up, let them know what's going on. So once I collect the mobilization check, I'll go ahead and I'll take the homeowner around the whole job site. I'll walk him through it, tell him exactly what's going on and what we'll be doing, and answer any questions or concerns that he has. Once we do that, the homeowner, he'll usually let us get to work. And once we do that, if we have concrete or something, that's the first thing we usually do is we cut and rip that out, load it onto our truck, get it off the job site. Then once we're done with that, we can start really prepping our holes, excavating and everything. And usually about noontime on the first day, I'm able to have another talk with the homeowner, let him know exactly when I think we should be finishing up with the project, what we should be able to accomplish, during the week. If it's a big project, 3 weeks, 2 weeks or more, I'll usually be able to keep them up to date on the first or second, usually on the first day, letting them know exactly what my timeline should be about noon that day. Thank you for tuning in, and if you'd like to learn more, have any questions, go ahead and visit our website, and we'd like to answer any questions you have.